Alright, so this is part 2 of this highway delivery in Morongo Valley. My phone died on me there. Trying to film this. I already dropped the first pallet. Now I just gotta go get that second one. I'm trying to hurry. I'll pick this as fast as I can. Gotta aim it just right in here. Pick it up and go. Super dangerous, man. This cars are coming down 60 miles an hour to 75 miles an hour right over this hill. But at least I have a little curb to run along so I can somewhat be on the side of the road. If you're going to get run over on the delivery, this would be the one. People are looking at their phones, not looking ahead, you know. They're merging, trying to merge over at the last second there, and this makes for a dangerous situation, so there we go. Got both of my pallets dropped. Alright. Now, we gotta put all these people's cones and stuff back up. This was approved for an unattended drop. Lady told me to put it behind her little cabin here. Well, that's what I did. These ones are nice when the people are here, so they can help you with all their chain link fences and chains and cones and now I got to put the chain up. Alright, so I'm getting off the forklift right by the street, so I'm going to put my forks down just in case somebody tries to turn in here. I don't want to get skewered. Alright, so got the private property sign here. Alright. I guess that's how they do that. I don't know. Alright, well, I got their house put back together. I'm gonna get my Moffett put up and then come back and get the pictures. So, still gonna try to wait for a break in traffic here, which I have. Perfect. I can't see what's coming behind me, so even though I am on the side of the road, I still kind of want to wait till the traffic's gone. That way I don't get any surprise hits from behind. Now, first thing I'm going to do, obviously, is look, make sure I'm not going to get run over. I'm good. First thing now, I'm going to put my pigtail in so they can see my flashing lights. And now I can hook up my chains. All right. And I'm actually not going to throw the straps on this one. I'm going to lower them off it. I'm going to wait till the straps, or I mean till the traffic's out of the way, and instead of unhook the straps, I'm just going to buckle them back down. So So, gonna wait here. This big rig coming, he should know to get over, so try to get my straps done. Yep, big rig got over already. See, CDL drivers look ahead. It's mostly the cars you gotta look out for. All right, so the truck's secure. I'm gonna grab my phone, go get my pictures, and then lastly, pick up my cones. Now, since it's unattended drop, I got to get a picture of the address. Which they put right here in this post for me. And then I'm going to put in the notes, unattended drop. Per customer. Behind the cabin. Then I'm going to put what I dropped, 2 pallets. A tile. And I'll get my picture of it right behind the cabin. So, all right. So I can close the stop off. Now I just got to not get run over. Picking my cones up and getting back to the truck. Only thing that stinks is I need to go uphill from here. So now I got to find somewhere down the hill to turn around. Oh, good. I only got 1 car coming. This is why I wear high visibility clothing. If you don't, at least bring a vest for these kind of deliveries. But all our guys, we require to wear high visibility clothing or a vest at their deliveries, since we are always on the road. So just gotta wait to jump in the truck. All right, we're clear. So that's it for my dangerous highway delivery. Leave me a like or subscribe to the channel if you want to learn more tricks or tips on Moffett and flatbed deliveries. And I will talk to you guys later. Have a good day.